Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make a garlic French bread, and I'm gonna use a fresh minced garlic. A very simple garlic bread. Right? What you need is some butter and just the garlic. Alright, just slice some and put some in the bread, and then put it in the oven. After you put all the butter and garlic, and then put it in the oven and heat it for at least 4 to 5 minutes maybe, okay, until it's ready. You don't want it to get burned, so those butter gonna melt when you put it in the oven, so don't worry about it if they stick it together. But try to spread it if you could, something like that, just like this. Okay, spread some like that. And I got 4 slices here for garlic bread, okay? So just do it like this. Very, very simple, but it's very good for snack or even breakfast. If you want a garlic bread in the morning with your coffee, good pair. So just minimize how much butter you can put, okay? Don't put too much. Just estimate the butter, because my butter is not melted, so. And the bread, you can use this, you use sourdough, rye bread, something like that, okay? French bread, or I think any bread you want to use. Alright, there you go. That's done. I'll put that in there. Now I'll just gonna sprinkle some of this minced garlic. Okay guys, very, very easy. Put it like this, and we're just gonna sprinkle like that. My husband like a fresh garlic instead of garlic powder. You can use garlic powder too if you want, if that's what you have, but my husband loves fresh garlic, so he asked me to put a fresh minced garlic instead. So just like that, sprinkle, and scatter that all over the bread. And just keep doing it until you are done with the slices of bread. Right guys, sorry. Go, and then put it in your baking pan like what I'm doing. Put it in the oven for 350, preheat the oven for 350, and then heat it only for 3 to 5 minutes, okay, or 4 to 5 minutes. Keep checking, you don't want the bread to get burned. It won't be good. Alright, there you go. And now guys, let's put it in the oven, and I will see you guys later. Okay, I'll show you when it's done. Thank you. Alright guys, there you go, my garlic bread. I use a fresh garlic, minced garlic. So there you go. Just the bread, butter, and garlic, fresh garlic on top. And heat it in the oven for 45 minutes, and it's done. There's so yummy. Looks good. Alright guys, see you next time. Stay safe. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Pray all the time. Alright guys, I love you guys. Please subscribe my channel and can give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Give me a thumbs up please, and please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell and click all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, see you guys later. Love, love, love. Big hug to everybody. Alright, see you later guys. Bye.